Could this be the fastest way to manifest and the easiest, even faster than the speak up method? Let's talk about it. This is based on Jay's latest, the micro bend. Yesterday I talked about and explained the whole thing, how I see it. So if you have overeating issues like me, money problems, low confidence, afraid of speaking up in public, I gave examples of what you can do using microbending in the video from yesterday, published 24 hours before this. Anyway, yesterday I talked about, could we use this not just to, change in ways where we feel small, but also could we use this for manifest things we want? In the original video, Jay is asked, is this manifesting? And Jay says, no. Manifesting is can be a big project, and I totally agree with that, of course. But if you look at manifesting as creating changes in your life, yes, in that perspective, it just might be manifesting. So I've been testing this method, microbending, in order to manifest. And, and let me tell you, I haven't felt that much energy for a long, long time when I did it. And I started, it kind of took away a lot of my blocks when it comes to what I want in my life, because it's so easy microbending, right? This just takes 2 seconds to do it. And what I have been testing is when I think of something that I want, a lot or not a lot, just something I want, I tap anything, tap my phone, tap my head, tap my glasses, tap my steering wheel, tap, and I say welcome when I think of it. Welcome to that thing, right? And I did that, and it made me so energized. Might be connected to the fact that I was really excited. I just learned about the microbend, so I tested it, and I was all excited, but it was something there. And I just, okay, tap, welcome, tap, welcome, tap, welcome. Because I've been, going around life thinking, oh, I shouldn't bother the universe with this. I should stick to my little list. And that's kind of lack mentality, isn't it? So I did 10 or 12 things in half an hour or something. They haven't shown up yet. But it did something to me. It gave me energy, and it took away totally the fear of manifesting, if that's such a thing. Well, the fear of disturbing the universe, if you want to call it that. So I went a little crazy there. Tap, welcome, tap, welcome, tap, welcome for a lot of things. And another thing about microbending, that it's so easy that your limiting belief and your blocks have no chance. Because it's tap, welcome, tap, it's all over the place. So the inner critic goes, whoa, I can't keep up with this, I give up. Now it's out there. And it kind of, and here's an insight I got. If you see this as a manifesting method, it has the confidence of the throne method from Jay, where you are in charge, you are part source, you make the calls. So tap, welcome, tap, welcome. It made me feel very, powerful. That's the word. Yeah. So that's the confidence of the throne, and it has the intention of the speak up method. I'll also link that below. You have an intention. I was thinking about this thing. Tap, welcome. So it is an intention in there, and it removes blocks, as I said. I'm now inviting you to test this with me, and you don't have to go tap, welcome. Microbending for you can be totally different. It really doesn't matter as long as it is something you're comfortable with doing, right? And if we believe in the law of attraction, and I'm assuming you do, tap, welcome, microbending gave me such joy and such energy. So my vibration was most definitely higher after I did it than before. So believing in vibration and frequency, yes, I'm attracting more good stuff because my vibration got higher. So yeah, it's a win-win. So now you might be asking, oh, I'm confused, Terry. Should we use the throne or the speak up or microbending? What do we do? You know, I think the most important thing is that you study this, learn about this, and go inside and ask your guide inside and find out what you're comfortable with. You know, if you really want to have a conversation and a contact with your spirit guide, your guide inside, maybe the speak up method is good for that. If you need to feel that you are in charge of your life, you make the calls. Maybe the throne is right for you. If you want to do it fast and just have energy, maybe microbending. So it's not easy for me to tell you, if you write in the comments, what do I do? You know, it needs to resonate with you and what feels right for you. And you might also think, well, these things are conflicting. Not really. The throne is a manifesting method because the result of you feeling that you belong in this power leads to more manifesting in your life because your vibration rises, right? But the throne itself, it's not a visualizing thing to manifest things. It's more like a position in the universe. And the speak up method is creating something with your power and asking for help from your guides and a whole framework for that. And the microbend is a quick, fun thing to do to either, as we talked about yesterday, breaking the negative loop, or maybe, if you want to test this with me, create new things in our lives. So that's the idea. I don't have any results to show with you from microbending other than what I felt, but will you test it with me? I will use it now in the coming days and report back, you know, if cool things happen. Or not so cool things happen, you know, let's be honest here. This whole channel is a testing ground. What works, what does not work for people and myself. Okay. Thanks so much for your attention, my friend, and see you soon.